Okay, we are diving into the powerful world of logical lookup function for data manipulation. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, these functions will take your spreadsheet skills to the next level. Okay, so but first, let's understand what logical functions are and how they can streamline your data analysis. So, logical functions in Excel are used to perform logical tests and return specific values based on the parameter results. So think of them as decision-making tools with your spreadsheet. Okay, so to access the logical function, here over to the formula tabs on the auxiliary one and click on the logical or here the logical. Okay, so here you find a range of functions such as like the false and or if not or the more. Okay, so one of the most commonly used logical function is the if function. So it allows you to perform different action based on whether a condition is true or the false. So let's dive into the practical example. Okay, so here we have a simple data set of a student for student use scores, and we want to categorize each student as the pass or fail. So based on the score is above or below are certain their results. Okay, we will use the if function to do this. So first we selected the cell where we want to a result to appear. Then we type the equal and write here the if function. Okay, and to insert the function next input here the logical test and the next one value if true and also the value if false. So for example, if I use this one, so like here if the this one is greater than or equal the 60, then the next one I will use this one the first. Okay, then next one so and below if false, so it will come up with the fail. Okay, so I want to use this one, then close it with the parenthesis. And in this case, if the score is like cell B2 is greater than or equal to 60, X will return the false, otherwise it will return the fail. Okay, so now hit hit the enter, and now that we have mastered the logical function with the if function. And here if I gonna just drag it here or we want to apply the rest of data, so here we got it the field because it doesn't match with or meet with the criteria. Okay, and also now these functions are incredibly useful for searching through large data set, retrieving the information in there, and also we will use the lookup function with the logical function. Okay, so you can find lookup function in the formula and also then under the lookup references category. Okay, so and today we will focus on like the popular lookup function like the VLOOKUP function and also the index and match function. Okay, so VLOOKUP function is used to search for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from a specified columns. So it's perfect for taxes like recharging prices, product, employee, information, etc. So let's say we have a product list with prices. We want to find price for a specific product. We can use the VLOOKUP to do this. Okay, so here let me use, and before that I want to write here like here with here the product name. Let me use something like the laptop, or if I just use the jacket over here, then I want to use the lookup function over here. Okay. Then we will type or start typing the equal right here the VLOOKUP function. This one, then use the it or input the lookup value, and then we will use the table area column index number and the range lookup. Okay. So for example, we will use the VLOOKUP this one. Then next step is I will select this range according to the table area. The next one we will looking for profile of index. So we are looking for prices, and this one is the 2 and 3rd columns. This one, and also use the forms for the app for exact match. Let me use this one. Then proceed with the parenthesis and then hit on the OK. So here we got into the here and the result with the jacket. And if we change here something, shows or here, and what happened, we got the result with this one. Okay. And here we used another powerful combination for data retrieval is the index and also the match. Or so unlike VLOOKUP, index and match offers more flexibility and can handle leave or to lookup effort. Okay. So with the index and match, we can achieve the same result as lookup, but with a different approach. Okay. So instead of specifying columns, index number and index also match allow us to match values on a specific columns, retrieve corresponding value from the another. So we will use like here the index and also the match function. I want to use this one, and here what I'm gonna do, I will just equal, and here I will use the product name with this one. Before that, let me use the index this one and use the prices over there. Then the next one I will use the match function this one, then lookup value. I want to look for the source. Then the next one I want to use the product name, and it will automatically find it out. This is the one. And then the next one, match types, I will use the 0, then closer to parenthesis, then hit on the OK. Then here we got it the same result. Now if I change here the different one, like if I say the laptop, here you will go to the same as with the big lookup and also the index and also the match function. Okay. So there you have it, the logical and lookup function and our essential tools in Excel for making decision and retrieving specific information from your data. So experiment with this function in your own spreadsheet, and you will be amazed at how they can streamline your workflow. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.